What's up, guys? Today we're doing a new guitar unboxing. This is the Ibanez 2027XL. Let's open it up. Just getting rid of this packaging. There's another box, which is the Ibanez box. I'm going to slide it out. Okay. Difficult to maneuver this thing. Okay, let me get rid of this giant box. Okay, there's some tape that I need to remove. I have to lay this flat down. Okay, let me just close my knife. Alright, I'll probably have to change the angle. Just bear with me one moment. Okay, here we are. Gonna unopen this. There we have the case. So many boxes. It's pretty heavy. Just trying to shimmy this out with one hand. Okay, let me remove that box. This case is quite nice. Oh, it comes with keys. I prefer the TSA lock with the pin, but where's the Ibanez branding? Is this the official case, I wonder? Because normally there is the Ibanez branding, which is non-existent. Here we have the guitar. Very dusty. Very dusty indeed. I think this is the Ibanez case, but there's no tag or anything, and there's no labeling. Usually, like for the Steve Vai Gem case, there was a similar type of case, and then there was like an Ibanez logo across there. I'll check it again in a bit. So just first looks at it. 2023, this was made in matching dark tide blue headstock. Seems to be some smudging there. I'm not sure what that is. All that lint is from the case. I'll have to hoover the case. The tags were removed. Hang on. Just one moment. Okay, so here's the tag. This is finish inspection. Oh, sorry. Finish inspection card. Assembly all signed. So this was done in October last year. Ibanez. There's the model number 2022 RG2027XL DTB. Okay, just put that over there. Case candy. Cereal, I believe. The whammy bar is here. Oh, this broke, which is not good. Just okay. This is the Ibanez tool, maintenance manual. I'll just go over the contents. Don't think there's much to this. They pretty much print out the same stuff all the time. So string replacement, tuning, string height, neck adjustment, intonation, cleaning, battery. Okay. Case is quite nice. I'm just gonna shut the case and just double check for Ibanez logo. No, definitely not there. The sides, nope. Wouldn't be on the back, it would just be really weird. Yeah, there's nothing on the case. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to the just first play of it, I guess.